Are those two my top favorite? Not really. I did purchase these items with my own money, so no one paid for my opinions. Hi you guys, today I am going to be reviewing the new Fenty hair products. I'm super duper excited because these curls, I don't really want to wash them out, but I'm doing this video for you guys because there's not any videos out just yet. The products that I'm going to be using today is the Rich One, the Moisture Repair Shampoo. I'm going to be incorporating this in my wash. Secondly, I am going to be applying the Richer One, the Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner. There's so many alternatives as far as conditioner when it comes to this line. They have the Rich One Moisture Repair Conditioner, which is this one. It comes in the bottle, similar bottle as the shampoo. And then they have the Richer One, which is what I'm going to be using today. And this is a deep conditioner. It's a moisture repair deep conditioner. Another alternative as far as conditioner is the Comeback Kid, which is a instant damage repair treatment. You can apply this to your hair and leave it in, or you can rinse it out. Depending on if you have thick hair, you should leave it in, or if you have finer hair, then you should rinse it out. So that's the rule to this one, but it must go on damp hair. And because I just recently washed my hair, I'm just going to do one shampoo and also a deep conditioning using the Richer One. Even though I'm not using these products today, I will be using more of these products as time goes on, especially as the treatment and the conditioner, because we need a regular conditioner to keep us going throughout the week, because I wash my hair twice a week. They're Wednesday and Sundays, so I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair. It's early, I'm a day early, but it still counts. I wash my hair at least twice a week, so I need a regular conditioner to keep me going throughout the week. I only shampoo my hair once though, so that's gonna carry me still a bit of ways. I am not going to be using the 5-in-1 heat protectant today, just because I'm not going to be really putting any heat on my hair. I'm just going to let it air dry. Instead of using heat, I am going to style my hair just the same, because I am actually loving my curls, my natural hair, and I am going to be using the Homecurl. I'm going to be using Homecurl Curl Defining Cream today to style my hair. And I'm also going to be taming my edges with the Controlling Type Edge Control. This is a hair thickening edge control, so I'm real funny about my hair control, so I will definitely give you guys the tea on how good it is. So without further ado, let's get to washing this hair.
If you guys are not familiar with my page, I recently just had a hair transplant done to my hair. I am post-op 8 months now, you guys, so I'm always looking to find new products to use on my hair, and I feel like this is a nice, clean, gentle cleansing type of duo for the shampoo and the deep conditioner. I would like a little bit more moisture, but as you guys can see, I'm going back in a second time. I believe I went back in a third time just because I felt like I couldn't get as much moisture out of it. But look at that emulsifying juiciness. As you can see, the comb through looks a little okay, but it's not as slippy like I wanted to comb my hair, because by now I'll be done with my tangles. But I rinsed out the product and now I'm going to go ahead and style my hair. And yes, I do have some conditioner in my hair left over, just a little bit. It's all right. I needed a little bit more moisture anyways. So don't come for me saying I didn't rinse out all the products. I did incorporate my own leave-in conditioner. I was in desperate need of extra product to detangle my hair because I didn't have enough slippage. As you guys can see, the smell of this whole entire line is chef's kiss.
Wait a minute now. So hydrating. You don't get nothing else. You get that. Wow.
I was thoroughly impressed with the way this Homecurl product styled my hair and how moisturizing and hydrating this product feels to the touch as well as on my hair. I felt like You know, when you do like your wash and goes, you waste a lot of product to be leaking all on your forehead, on your neck and everything like that. But I feel like this product grips and adheres to my hair well, where it's not all over the place, and the hair actually receives the product. The best way I can describe these curls is soft pillow curls. They're very, very soft. So if soft is going to be a problem, you might want to incorporate a mousse so you can get that longevity out of your wash and go. I did apply some product to the back of my head, and I'm still learning how to curl the back of my hair just because it is a little bit short. So I'm just making it do what it do. And for the edge control,
feels promising.
I would say the consistency of this gel is kind of thinner than honey, but it's not as sticky.
Okay.
I do find that I really enjoy this edge control because it gives me a very soft and gentle hold, not crispy, crunchy, flaky, and waxy like. It's a very soft, stronghold mold, if that makes sense. And this is my final look.
So I just completed washing my hair, styling my hair, and sleeking these edges, you guys. I am thoroughly impressed, honestly. But I will say these are my thoughts on the individual items. For the Rich One Moisture Repair Shampoo, I will say that it is not as moisturizing as I thought it would be, considering moisture is the key word here in this particular product for my 4C type hair. I will say that the product itself, I didn't want to do no more than one shampoo with the product. I do feel like it did do a deep cleanse to my hair. I don't do 2 shampoos every wash cycle. Every time I wash my hair, I do not wash my hair twice with shampoo. So that was kind of good because I felt like if I had washed my hair again with that shampoo, I feel like it might have stripped me a little bit more than I would like. That is just my con to that shampoo. I think it's still overall a really great shampoo. It set it up really nicely, and the line itself smells so beautiful. It smells so soft and gentle. All I can think of is very clean, like roses and lotion. Like, it's a weird combination, but that's just the way I think about the fragrance when I smell it. It smells really soft, very, very soft, kind of like how my curls are, and I'll explain that in just a minute. Secondly, when it comes to the richer one, which is the deep conditioner, which is the one that I used, I would say that that deep conditioner, it wasn't as slippy as I imagined it. You guys know that deep conditioner is ultra slippy, right? When it comes to applying moisturizer and getting a deep condition and everything like that. I would imagine that my hair would just be a little bit more sleek, and you know how it is. Because normally I use the Aussie Miracle Moist conditioner, so that gives me incredible slip. But this particular product didn't give that much slip. It did emulsify really beautifully, how I like my conditioners to be. However, I do feel like I wanted a little bit more moisture out of that product. I'm not disappointed, and I still got a long way to go when it comes to moisturizing my hair with the conditioner options, as I mentioned to you guys, because I thought that it couldn't get any more deeper than that conditioner. So I just ran with it. I let it sit in my hair for a good 5 minutes, and I rinsed out and I styled my hair. I also included my own leave-in conditioner. Fenty Hair, we do need a leave-in conditioner. I don't know, I have to have me a little bit more conditioning treatments for my hair because my hair frizzes, it argues with me, and I just need something to soften my hair, pre-soften my hair, if you will, before I get started in styling my hair, detangling and whatnot. And maybe I can find some sort of product within that line to do that particular job for me. With that being said, the shampoo and conditioner, they go kind of, I would say, hand in hand. I feel like the line kind of just works all the way with using all the products. So I definitely enjoyed that. Are those two my top favorite? not really, not too bad, just because I love more moisture. Now let's talk about the styling products. The styling products are my absolute favorite products, you guys. The moment that I touch this particular product, my Homecurl on my hair, when I put this Homecurl on my hair, girl, I'm talking so slippery. This is so slippery. And when I say soft, the smell that I was talking about to you guys, you think of soft, you think feminine, you think flowers, you think gentle, you know, like pillow soft curls. That's exactly what this gives. It gives very gentle, gonna give you that curl. Like if you have curls, you're gonna have the softest curl you could ever get with this particular product. No cap, I'm not over exaggerating or anything like that. I love the way my hair slipped as I was styling my hair. As you guys can see, it's still drying, but it is like a soft styler. Your hair is not going to come out or end up crunchy or anything like that. So if you prefer more of a stronger hold, I do think these will work really well with like a mousse if you guys need an extra hold. But this is my favorite product probably out of the entire usage of all these products. So I highly recommend, 10 out of 10 to get this. Yeah, I have nothing else to say. I was shocked the moment that I put it on my hair. It was so good. Super duper moisturizing. If anything, I think maybe the leave-in conditioner might have been in this one. I don't know. It's just the way it feels. Like I don't feel like I got any sticky residue. Like I have not washed my hands or anything like that, but my hands feel so soft. Like I've been moisturizing for hours, like a moisturizing glove or something for hours. And then when it came to opening this particular product, you guys know I have to open up the lid to take off the little plastic seal. Well, it was hard to get this open because my hands was like, ooh. I was squeezing like SpongeBob trying to get this lid open. A controlling type hair thickening edge control. I love the way this edge control does me. It is super strong. I would say it is pretty strong of a hair gel. I would say you would probably have to lay down a scarf for someone who is trying to get that ultra sleek look 4/4 type hair. You know, our hair is quite disobedient. So I would say if you are looking to just use a bunch of this gel and slick it down, I think that would be your best bet so that it can kind of just mesh and hold together, because I do feel it slightly like softening, but not in a bad way, you know, like it feels really nice. Like it feels like the way we ought to put gel on our hair. I would just say that. So like, you know, if I'm just like touching up my edges and stuff like that, like sometimes our edges be like super duper crispy and we can't bother with them, but like I feel like this is a gentle hold, soft molder, but it's a perfect mold, and I really like that. So I would definitely say out of the two products, the styling products that I love the most are these two, and you guys definitely should give these a try. I did end up going to the party lunch today to get these items, so I did purchase these items with my own money, so no one paid for my opinions. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review on this hair products. I think my hair looks absolutely adorable and plushy and soft and curly, and I'm gonna love these products. I can't wait to use the rest of them. So you guys stay tuned for the next videos. I will be letting you guys know about those other items that I did not use today. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification. Let me know what products you guys are interested in using down below in the comments. And watch one of these.